So did you watch Sikandar yesterday?
Yes, I saw Sikandar yesterday.
So how much would you rate Salman's acting out of 5?
I wouldn't act. I wouldn't rate Salman's acting because he was. I think he was too lazy and too complacent to be acting in the film. In fact, it's not his fault because I've seen this guy acting, taking roles seriously only when the directors are independent and sure enough. He was not acting. He was merely reciting the lines.
So what was the reaction of the crowd?
Blurting out his dialogue. That too slowly, as if मुंह अटक गया है.
What was the reaction of the crowd? Did they cheer Salman's
No.
acting?
Not even a single scene.
Did they clap?
No. See, the story, different elements of the story are not adding up. They didn't add up at all. 3 donors taken from Will Smith's film. Fine, you go looking for them, taking care of them. All of these things are okay.
Was Salman trying to give a message to the world?
Salman has ironically always been trying to give messages through his film. Now, that is his forte.
And what about the director? Has he done his job well?
No.
Seeing his previous films, what would you say on this film?
It's not different. Murgudas is known for his masala flicks. Even Gajni was a decent rip-off from the original film of Nolan's Memento, but they actually quote-unquote tried to dumb it down for the Indian audience to an extent, rightly so. But this one is a very solid attempt as to God knows what they were planning.
What would you say on the supporting roles? How did Sarman did? He was also playing a very important role as the assistant of Salman.
I hope he's okay because he's aged a lot. People are looking at Bhai, but I think Sharman is the real revelation. I think he has taken a lot of weight, gained a lot of weight. And besides, his dialogue delivery was such that he was stuttering as if he had some speech impediment issue.
So you expected something from Sarman,
Yes.
which he did not deliver.
He's a very good actor, a seasoned theatre practitioner as well.
And what about actress?
Rashmika.
Yes. You don't want to comment
India,
on that?
No, let India love this new sensation.
I think she did not work on her accent because
I don't know,
she was playing the role of a queen of I would say a family.
This was for me. This is.
She
not
should have been
Sikandar.
smoking.
This is not Sikandar. This is Bhakandar.
She should have been speaking.
This is hemorrhoids on steroids.
And have you read the reviews of different news?
I think they must be echoing in the same spirit.
Has he got very negative reviews?
See, in India, I don't think there is any single critique worth his salt. There are no Gene and Siskel.
Why are you stopping yourself from making a statement? You have been reviewing a lot of films that you watch.
See, there should be something worth reviewing. I think this is a lazy, lopsided effort. This is merely an effort in multiplying your money.
What had you expected from Mr. Salman Khan?
I think the BGM.
You wanted something like of
I thought the
Wanted.
The BGM was nice.
That's why you went to theater.
Yes.
The only thing that attracted you.
Yes.
Is it true?
At least have a unidirectional focus in one of the elements of your story. In fact, Salman has such a unparalleled stardom that he can carry your film if you have confidence in one of the elements of your ideas. I've seen Salman Khan doing that, but this time it's a thorough disappointment.
Would you suggest any recommendation to Mr. Salman Khan to improve
No.
in future?
See, he is far more sharper than a lot of us combined. In fact, a million.
Did you feel Salman was a little lethargic?
But I know I have my own strengths, and you don't give away your strengths that easily. So I think he needs to be more active in his choices. After Sultan, he has not done anything worth noticing. Bajrangi was good, Sultan was good. I mean, Salman has his own levels of acting. First, there is this bhai type man.
So,
Then there is one notch down.
so one last final question. What about those people who expected Salman to be like Bhai? Or
He
you
was
wish
not. He
not
was,
to make a
this.
comment?
This is not even bhai. This is not. This is not